Morning, friends. Many of the parents keep asking me which is the right time to prepare for National Defence Academy. In my opinion, the best time would be to start just after 10th standard examination. You get almost 1.5 months leave. That's the time you should start preparing for the National Defence Academy. If you ask me which is better, National Defence Academy or 10 plus 2 technical entry, I would say in just 2 sentences. If you aspire to become a technical officer, then go in for 10 plus 2 tech entry. If you want to join the ground duties or become a fighter pilot, then via NDA is the best option. But remember, NDA, you will face very tough competition, meaning around 7 lakh people appear once in 6 months for a vacancy of just 500 maybe 400 vacancies, out of which 75 are allotted to Air Force. 5 vacancies are given to girls and 70 are available to boys. But in case of 10 plus 2 tech entry, for every 6 months, you get roughly around 180 to 200 vacancies. And the competition is very less. The reason, 10 plus 2 people with physics, chemistry, maths are far less compared to non-science stream. Also, many of them do not sit for JEE entrance examination. All it requires is to score around 70% of marks in physics, chemistry, maths in 10 plus 2 and then sit for JEE examination. Even if you get about 65 to 70 percentile, I'm sure you'll be able to get a call directly for service selection board. So you are eliminating step 1 of preparing for NDA examination. Instead of preparing for NDA examination, prepare for 10 plus 2 and you'll find that you'll be able to score very good marks, and JEE is not very tough for people who have taken mathematics. So all the best. After taking it, come down to Coimbatore Defence Academy. We will train you for service selection board. Even if it takes 3 months, do not worry. We only charge one time. 10,000 rupees is our charge for a service selection board. 2 of the 3 months. So do not worry about the payment part of it. Once you pay, and rest assured, you will get selected. All the best. God bless you.